Oh, big breaking news, friends. Strategy is hiring. Yes, you heard it right. Direct test hiring is here, and as soon as you apply, you'll get the test mail directly from Strategy. So don't miss this. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Career Buzz. This is the Strategy Associate Software Engineer hiring update. And trust me, it's a big opportunity for freshers. So Strategy is hiring for Associate Software Engineer role. Location, Chennai, India. Eligibility, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc students. Experience, 0 to 2 years, which means 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, and 2025 passouts can apply. The best part? Once you apply, you will immediately receive the test mail like this from Strategy with your assessment link. So check your inbox right after applying. So what's in the test? Analytics section, 20 MCQ questions, 30 minutes covering aptitude, numerical ability, image-based questions, and logical reasoning. Important note, during the test, you'll see an embedded ChatGPT sidebar. The hiring team can review what you search, so use it carefully. Don't just copy answers. You can practice aptitude from websites like IndiaBix. If you have already received the Strategy test mail, comment Received Mail below. If not, comment No Mail so we know how many people are still waiting. And don't forget, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Career Buzz for daily, genuine hiring updates. All the best for your assessment. Prepare well and crack it. See you in the next update video.